Meaning of every.
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 Every. The word every is an adjective that refers to the entire group or collection of something. It is often used to indicate that each individual item in the group is included. For example, every student in the class passed the exam means that all the students passed the exam, without exception. The word every is commonly used in everyday language and is a useful tool for conveying universal truths or shared experiences. In summary, every conveys the sense of inclusivity and completeness, indicating that the entirety of a group is being considered.